Hey everyone, Teacher Chang here, and today we're going to go ahead and submit an assignment using the Kami app. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the Kami app. We're assuming that we've downloaded our little worksheet here from our class, and now I'm just typing in kamiapp.com, and then I'm going to go ahead and sign in, and I've already signed in with my Google account, so let's go ahead and sign in here. And what I did is I went ahead and printed out the worksheet, or I downloaded the worksheet from my class, and now I'm going to go ahead and open it up from my computer. And I'm going to look for that file, and I'm going to look in my temporary file here. So I'm going to go to my desktop, go to my temp folder, and we'll open up our Kami demo here. So this is just an example of a worksheet. So what we could do is we could go ahead and take a look at this worksheet here. And if you want to, we could go ahead and zoom in and out as you like. And I'm just going to answer these questions directly on the Kami app. So in the first one, it says, what transformations are rigid transformations? Well, I could go ahead and use a text box, or I could go ahead and write it out. I'm just going to use a text box. We could go ahead and state it's a translation. We can go ahead and do a reflection and a rotation. Now, I recommend that you use a color that is not black, so that way your teacher knows what you're going to do here. We're going to dismiss this because I'm not going to save it to my drive. I'm actually going to save it to my computer in a bit. And then we have our graph here. So we want to graph this image by making it 3 units to the left and 5 units up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a shape here, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw some lines, and we could go ahead and choose a color. I'll go ahead and keep it on this blue here. So we want to go ahead and move each of these points 3 units to the left and 5 units up. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can see that that triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units across. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's that first line. I could see my second line is going to be up here with that slope. And we'll just go ahead and finish off our triangle here. So here's our triangle. And then I'm just going to go ahead and double check that. So we went 3 left and up 5, so it's a little bit off, but that's okay. Looks pretty good to me. If you want to zoom in and out to go ahead and perfect that, that's up to you. But the whole purpose of this is to go ahead and just show you, well, what would I do? So now I'm all set. I want to go ahead and save this into my temporary folder here. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. I'm going to download it into my computer. So it's being processed here. Give it a moment to go ahead and download, and we're gonna see it in our downloaded folder right over here. Okay, so now that we have this, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and submit our assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my Canvas, and we're going to open up our Canvas assignment here, and I'm going to do a temporary student here. So I'm going to go ahead and move my Canvas right over here, and let's say that I'm going to go ahead and turn in a geometry assignment. I'm going to put it in student view so that we can see what the student view looks like. And now we're just going to go ahead and submit an assignment. So let's say that I had to go ahead and submit this other assignment right over here. I'll click on my assignment. I'm going to submit the assignment. I'll click on submit, and I'm just going to go ahead and upload my folder. So I'm going to choose my file. Now it was downloaded into my downloads here, so I'm going to go to downloads. This is where my answer or my worksheet is, and then I'll go ahead and submit the assignment. So once I submit the assignment, depending on your district, you may see some confetti or not, like I have here, and you have information right over here on the right saying that it was submitted on September 20th at 6:06 p.m. Alright, that's all you need to do. Your homework has been submitted. You use the Kami app. We can go ahead and check our worksheet here. So let's go ahead and open up our worksheet, and we can see exactly what we wrote out here. And there's my answer. Here's my my little triangle that we drew here that was translated 3 units to the left, 5 units up. Alright, you did your work. You turned it in. Good job. Alright, good luck, enjoy, and have fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe.